Been getting a lot of questions on how to clean plastic fiber optic connectors. And I guess I want to address everybody first and foremost is that there's a big difference, is that most of your plastic fiber optics are 1,000 micron. Your silica connectors are 62.5 micron. That's the norm, going all the way down to 9 micron. So the size is a big difference. And because of that, you can get away with so much more on the plastic fiber optics. It's just like the finish on the plastic fiber. It doesn't need to be as great and as fine as what is on a silica fiber. And the same thing is with the actual cleaning it. You can do as minimal as wipe it off with something soft. They sell these little cloths here that are really small. There's different companies that sell them. You can either use them wet or dry, but the main thing is that you have something soft that's not going to damage your connector. You would take then your connector simply and you would brush it off. You could do it on a plate where it's flat and do it just a single stroke. That's a good way to clean them off. I usually look at them to make sure that you have, just with your naked eye, there's a sheen that goes across there. And then it has to do with your dust caps. Dust caps, as they do protect the finish, you always have to be aware though that the dust cap is a plastic also, and they usually use mold release in that process. So sometimes as a dust cap can protect the end of the fiber, it can also bring in different contaminants, any mold releases or that. So that's just something to keep aware of. But basically your fiber optic is nothing more than a clean cloth. You can use like a isopropyl alcohol will also work. So that's it. Any other questions, just email sales@fiberfin.com.